Hello dear ones, how are you all? Today we are going to continue our second chapter. Today we are going to discuss the grammar junction of this chapter. What is the chapter's name? Yes, it's Wanderthirst. So today we are moving on to the fourth part of our second chapter. So everyone turn to page number 120. There you could see our topic of discussion. So before going on to the topic, I just want to tell you that today's topic of discussion is all about articles, and we know that, and you might have studied in your previous grades that there are three articles in English: article a, and the. So today we are going to deal in detail the article the. Okay, but I will give you a small introduction about different articles. So article a and an. Okay, so article an is used with singular noun beginning with a vowel. For example, an apple. So here apple, the word apple begins with vowels letter A. So we used article an. So article an is used with singular noun, which is singular, apple is singular, okay, beginning with a vowel. Now article A. A is used with singular noun beginning with a consonant. So what are vowel letters in English? A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowel letters. So other letters apart from these vowel letters are called as consonants. Okay. So I will write an example. A toy. So here T. T is a consonant letter. So we are using the article A before a singular noun that begins with a consonant letter. Okay, now we are going on to deal with what is article the. Article the is also called as definite article. Okay, article a and an is called as indefinite article, and article the is called as definite article. Okay, so when we are using article the for singular and plural nouns, but the noun have to be specific. So we are using article the with singular and plural nouns, but we should be sure about the noun. If we are sure about the noun and if we are specific about the noun, then we will use article the, and it can be used interchangeably with plural, before plural nouns, or before singular nouns. So articles are always used before the nouns. You have to keep this in mind. Okay. So now we are going to discuss article the in detail. Okay. So just see this first three lines. This is the lines given in your textbook, page number 120. Beyond the sea, beyond the east, the sunrise; beyond the west, the sea. So these are the first two lines of our poem Wanderthirst. Okay. So here you could see certain words are written in yellow color. So this is article the. So we are sure about east, we are sure about sunrise, we are sure about west, and we are sure about sea. So east, sunrise, west and sea are nouns, and we are using the article the before these nouns because we are sure about these nouns. Because east, we know that there is only one east, and we know that sunrise, and we know west, and we know sea. We are specific about these nouns. We know what are these nouns. So before these nouns which we know that are specific or we are sure about it, then we will be using article the before these nouns. So just see, we use article the to talk about a particular person, place, animal or thing. That means if we want to speak about a particular person, or we want to talk about a particular place, and if we want to talk about a particular animal or thing, we will be using article the before these particular nouns. Okay. A definite article is the word the. It is used before a noun to specify it as something previously considered. That means we are sure about this noun. That what this sentence particularly means. Okay. Now in your textbook, page number 120 and 121, there you could see a big blue color box. So we are going to discuss in which all situations we use article the. Okay. We use article the when we speak about a noun that the reader or the listener knows about. That means if we know about the noun, if the reader or listener knows about the noun, then we will be using article the before this noun. For example, just see this example. We went to the mall. So mall. This mall is already familiar to the reader or listener. So that's why we use the article the before the particular noun mall. Now just see, to express time also we will be using article the. Just see, the weekend. Weekend means Saturdays and Sundays. Okay. So we will be using article in order to express time. Okay. Now just see this box. With specific dates and sequence words, we will be using the article the before specific dates if we are sure about the dates and if we are sure about the sequence words. For example, just see last day. So we know that we know this noun, we know the specific date. So we used article the before last day. And now just see the 26th of every month. That means 26th of every month. We are sure that there is the date 26 in every month, right? So we use the article the before this particular sequence words. Okay. Now just see this one. With some general expressions, if we want to convey some general expressions, we will be using article the. Okay. Watch the news, visit the doctor. Just see, these are general expressions. Visit the doctor. So it's a general expression. That means we are telling someone to visit the doctor, the news, watch the news. So in order to express these certain general expressions, we will be using article the before the noun. Okay. When we talk about countries which have the words like kingdom, republic, states or plural names. Okay. Just see the United States of America. If we want to express the country's name, we are sure about the country name, then we will be using article the. For example, I will write the India. We know that there is only one India in this world. Okay. So we are sure about the country. So we will be using article the before the countries. Okay. The Maldives. Just see this. Okay. Now moving on to this one. When we talk about geographical features like rivers, mountains, trees, we will be using article the. Just see the Himalayas. We are specifically talking about certain geographical features like mountains, rivers, the Ganges. Just see. So we are using, okay, the before rivers, mountains, trees, etc. we will be using the. Okay. Now when we talk about families, so when we talk about families, that means if we are specifically naming a family name, we will be using articles the Sharmas, the Khans. Okay. So if we are specifically using or specifically calling somebody with their family names, we will be using the. For example, the Kapoors. So we will be using, okay, the before the family names. So with superlatives. So what is the superlative? So in adjective, adjectives are divided into three types. That means based on the degree, they are divided into positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. So superlatives, for example, just see, if you find a word that ends with est, you will be using the before that. For example, tall, taller and tallest. So with superlative degree, this is the superlative, third degree of adjective is called as superlative degree. Okay. We will be used. So what is this positive, comparative and superlative degree? We will discuss in the later part of this year. Okay. You have a chapter based on this degree of adjectives. Okay. So just see, if a word, if an adjective ends with est, you have to add article the before it. Okay. Now moving on to next situation when we use article the. When we talk about famous buildings or works of art, for example, if we are talking about Taj Mahal, then we will be using the, because these are the famous work of arts. The Mona Lisa, this is a famous work of art, this is a famous building, this is a famous work of art. You have seen, some of you might have seen the painting of Mona Lisa. Okay. So the Taj Mahal. So if we are referring to a famous building or a famous work of art, we will be using article the before that particular word. With services or systems. So just see metro. Metro is a service, right? FM is also a service, right? So we will be using the before services or systems. So you have to by heart all these situations when the article the is used. Okay. Now when we talk about newspapers, organizations, we will be using article the. For example, the Times of India, the World Health Organization, that means WHO. Or for example, we have another newspaper called as the Hindu or the Malayalam Manorama. So if we are talking about newspapers, we will be using article the before newspapers or organizations. Okay. So we are coming to an end of today's class. So I have a homework for you. Grammar Junction, page number 121. There you could see the exercise number 1, and you have to do this homework in your textbook only. You don't have to write down the answers in your notebook, but you have to do this homework in the textbook itself. Okay. Okay. So until we meet next time, thank you.